हेलो व्यूअर्स, आज हमारे जो रीडिंग ले रहे हैं हम वो लेटर पी की ले रहे हैं। जिन व्यूअर्स का नाम लेटर पी से शुरू होता है और हमारे पास फेमिनाइन एनर्जी विड्रॉ हुई है, ये रीडिंग है, एक टाइमलेस रीडिंग है और ये रीडिंग हम लेंगे इन रिलेशनशिप। सो लेटर पी के लिए जो फेमिनाइन एनर्जी है, सो जो मेरे पास कार्ड ड्रॉ हुए हैं वो है द हेरोफेंट, द टावर, थर्ड कार्ड मेरा ड्रॉ हुआ है द 3 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स एंड फाइनल कार्ड जो मेरा ऑल ओवर एनर्जी शो कर रहा है वो है एस ऑफ कप्स का। जो एस ऑफ कप्स है दैट शोज अबाउट न्यू इमोशनल बिगनिंग्स, सम रिन्यूड फीलिंग्स और यू कैन से सम न्यू इमोशनल अपॉर्चुनिटीज आफ्टर ending of something which was already going through from some time. तो पहला कार्ड हमारा जो आया था वो द हेरोफेंट का था। वो हमें ये बताता है दैट इट रिप्रेजेंट्स द कमिटमेंट, ट्रेडिशन, सम स्ट्रक्चर and that we are hoping for some, we can say we are looking out for some long term relationship. It can be a spiritual bond or it can be a marriage also. And when we are talking about the tower, जो मेरा second card withdraw हुआ है, that is a tower. Now tower, it signals a dramatic shake up, some sudden truth, something has been break down. So if you are in a structured or committed relationship, it suggests that something disrupted that either externally, or you can say it's a kind of a breakup, some conflict or something internally that you has just had a realization that the relationship is not much aligned now as in comparison to the earlier times, so you are not more enthusiastic about it. So the third card जो मेरा विड्रॉ हुआ है वो है 3 of Wands. Now this card is that you are looking out to the future. So you are also looking out for the expansion or looking ahead, or you are just preparing to move forward, or you are waiting for some results also, or mainly it is for the future, that you are looking out to the future. So there is some shift of energy is showing in the cards, and by having a look on all the cards and reading the Ace of Cup, I can say that there was a relationship based kind of a structure, and but there is something unexpected or disruptive has occurred, but you are still waiting, you are still considering your next step. And it also shows that despite of having all these things, there is a lot of storm in your life, your heart is still open for new beginnings, whether from within the relationship, some rebuilding or some new or some emotionally aligned one. So you have to look forward, and if you are still connected with some person, so rebuilding would require a completely new emotional foundation. You should not return to what it was actually earlier, I can say. So best of luck to all the feminine energy, those names or starts with letter P. Thank you so much and best of luck.